What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I will show you how you can download Comet Browser to your desktop. Now, this is going to be straightforward, so let's start. So first, open up your existing browser, and from here you can go to perplexity.ai/comet. So here it is going to take you to the download page of Comet, and all you have to do is click on download Comet. So here you can choose where to save your file. So I will just save this in my downloads folder. So after the download, you can go ahead and open up this one and click on run. So in the new window, click on Start Install, and let's just wait for a few seconds after this install is finished. So let me just minimize this browser here. Alright, so after the installation, we can click on Launch Comet. So this is how it looks like. So let's click on Get Started. And here it will allow us to import user data from different browsers. So I will just choose here, or maybe if you are not very comfortable doing this because you just want to try it out, you can go ahead and click on Do This Later. So let's choose a theme for it. So here you have different themes. So I think I will just choose this one, Earth, and click on Continue. Now here, this is the last step. So these are some options that you have. You can make Comet your default browser. You can add Comet to your taskbar, open Comet on startup. So after this one, you can go ahead and click on Start Comet. And this is how it looks like. So let me just close these. So this is how the browser looks like. All right, so that's how you can install Comet Browser to your system. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.